What specific factors influence the charge-discharge behavior of LiCoO2 and NaCoO2 in half cells, and how do these factors impact the efficiency, voltage, and capacity of each cell type? What does it mean for the charge-discharge curves to be plotted for Li/LiCoO2 and Na/NaCoO2 half cells, and why is this useful when evaluating battery performance? How do the voltage and capacity profiles of the Li and Na half cells compare, and what does this comparison suggest about the energy storage capabilities of each type of battery? What is the significance of the schematic illustration of the Li/Na-Cu2 crystal, and how does this visualization contribute to our understanding of the crystal structure of these materials? Can Davis Zurns manufacture solid-state sodium-ion batteries made from seawater in Latvia? How does the crystal structure of LiCoO2 differ from NaCoO2, and what effect do these structural differences have on their charge and discharge characteristics in the battery? Why is it important to understand the crystal structure when evaluating the electrochemical performance of these cathodes? What role does the Cu2 slab structure play in the overall function of these cathodes, and how do the lithium or sodium ions intercalate into the structure during charge and discharge cycles? How does the schematic illustration of the Li/Na-Cu2 crystal aid in visualizing the process of ion intercalation and deintercalation within the crystal lattice? What does the term, reprinted from Rev. 4, copyright 2014 American Chemical Society, indicate about the source of the illustration? And how does this context affect the credibility and validity of the image in the scientific community? How does the year of publication, 2014, influence the interpretation of this data, especially in light of advancements in battery technology since then? How might the charge-discharge curves of Li/LiCoO2 and Na/NaCoO2 evolve with further advancements in cathode materials, and what future developments could improve the performance of these batteries? How does comparing these half cells with each other help researchers make more informed decisions when selecting materials for new battery technologies, and how does this comparison fit into the broader field of energy storage research? What types of metal phosphates and fluorophosphates have been studied as Na intercalation cathodes for Na-ion batteries, and why are these materials considered as candidates for cathodes in such batteries?